Hi, I'm Stefan. I'm an SE with Citrix in the Netherlands, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about something we introduced last week at our summit event with Citrix in Las Vegas. It's about one of these things, an iPad or even an iPhone, anything with iOS, and making that work better with a published session, whether it being a desktop or an application. So one of the use cases for this, now here I have an iPad mini with a Bluetooth keyboard. So if you want to work with this, it used to be fairly simple. You could just start up, download receiver from the App Store, of course, and then open up your iPad. Now, this has all my regular applications that I use in my personal time. It also has the Zen Mobile, the Works applications in there. But also, there's the receiver. Now, when you have the receiver and you want to work with it, of course you can use touch, and there's a few very smart things we've built in to be able to work in a proper way with Windows applications. But we introduced this one, and this is the Citrix X1 prototype mouse. And whenever you press the button on this, there's a request that comes on there saying it wants to pair. Now, if you OK that, then immediately you'll see that there's a mouse arrow. Now, the mouse arrow on itself on an iOS device doesn't do much, but when you start up, for instance, a VDI desktop, then that's where the magic happens. So when this session is connecting now to the back end, of course remotely, and all the regular things that happen when starting up a session, you'll see that I'll be logged in through single sign-on, and there you have my published VDI session. So now this mouse arrow can do anything that a normal mouse can in a Windows environment. So if I click on here, you'll see the browser start up, and then if I want to go somewhere, I'll just add an extra tab, and then you can go to anywhere you like. So the Bluetooth keyboard works in there, the mouse works in there, even the scroll wheel in the middle, it works in there, and then it'll work just like you'll expect it to do. So this, of course, makes it a lot easier to work with. Now this is one use case. I'll just show you another one. So this other use case I want to show is that happens when you move from, let's say, a coffee shop or whatever to your workplace. So in this case, it's our shiny new Amsterdam office. But what happens then is when you unlock your screen, of course, you get your session right back, and the mouse still works, of course. But then what you can do is just either via cable or via AirPlay, just connect it to a screen. And then you get even more screen real estate to work with. And that makes it even more easier to work with. Now, the last thing I want to show is how to get your hands on a mouse like this. And what you need to do in order to accomplish that is just go to citrix.com/mouse. And on that page, there is a link here to the X1 mouse giveaway, and I'll just go ahead and click it, which leads to this page here. And if you post a proper use case, then you might just get an X1 mouse sent to you free of charge. So that's it. Greetings from the Netherlands.